Hello angels and welcome to today's video. I'm back! Just excited to be back in my little studio filming for you guys. As you can tell, I took a little hiatus just to, recharge the batteries, and I'm so excited because I have some great new video ideas and I hope you enjoy them. So today's video is a full face of dollar store makeup. Yep. I'm putting dollar store makeup on my face. But that being said, I mean, it's full face. I'll insert a picture over here showing you everything that I got. It's 12 bucks. A full face of makeup for 12 bucks. You can't go wrong with that. So, without further ado, let's jump right into applying some makeup. I'm gonna do just like I normally do. There wasn't a primer, so should I cheat and use my favorite e.l.f. primer? This is the Poreless Putty Primer. This is amazing. I've never tried the Tatcha Silk Canvas, but a lot of people are comparing it to that, and this stuff is really, really good. And this is like, I think this was like 10 bucks and Tatcha's like 55. You do the math yourself. Even this headband came from the dollar store. I thought it was cute, little cute cat ears. And I always do eyes first, you guys know, so I'm going to start with using this concealer as my primer for my eyelids. And this is LA Colors Concealer. That's all it says. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lids. And the hard part is I did find foundation. Oh, this is watery AF. Oh my god. I've been spoiled by Tarte Shape Tape and really good primers. I don't know if this is like a knockoff of like LA Girl or what. Oh god. Buildable coverage. Yeah, sure. Okay. Let's try building it. Well, the finish isn't bad. Let's see. Not too shabby. Right, so my next step is always eyes first and then everything else. So with that being said, I got two eyeshadow palettes. First up, let's look at the Color Mates, because that one seems like, it's all shimmers. Every single one. All right. LA Colors, those are like two glittery ones, but the rest of them look like they're all mattes, all cool tones. So let's go in with the Wet n Wild brush, and I think I'm just gonna go into this little smoky gray color here. Nothing is coming on the brush. Let's just work that into the crease. Oh, that's just white. All right, well, let me get you guys zoomed in and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm really like digging my brush down in here to try and get some color payout on there. And just going in and I'm gonna work that into the crease. I'm going to go into this darker smoky color and kind of create a little smoky eye. Might be the best way. Really digging down in. I think it's kind of like once you get through the initial top, it's like almost like there's a layer of something on there. You get through the top to the actual shadow and then it performs a little bit better. We're just going to create a nice smoky eye. And then put a pop of color on the lid and underneath, maybe. Purpley color looks really pretty. All right, now I'm gonna go into this pretty little purpley color here on the lid and see if I can just give it a little. I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh, wow. It's not too shabby. That's really pretty. All right, now I'm gonna get a little bit more defined of a brush. The part that I am concerned with is the actual foundation, because I got two colors and I think I'm gonna have to mix them. It's almost like it's taking some of it away as you start to layer it up. It's almost like it's kind of taking some of it off instead of adding more on top. It's such a strange effect. Oh my god. So what I'm doing is that you see me say the outer V a lot. It's just starting on this little corner here. It's really packing it on, and then you work it up into the crease. So now we're going to move on to foundation. I have two LA Colors foundations. Helps even skin tone. Liquid makeup it is called. I mean, for $1, you're getting 0.42 fluid ounces, so that's quite a bit for $1, man. And two different colors. And I'm gonna apply it with my little Morphe sponge here. All right, I am back, angels, and as you can see, like, this color went on, I mean, like, fairly normal looking, and then it just oxidized, and now my face and my neck are two very different colors. So I'm gonna bring some of it down to try and balance. Oh my God. All right, next up, the concealer. We already know the situation with that, but I need to do the under eyes and highlight some areas, so. Again, much like the foundation, it is a buildable coverage. Does it look bad on my skin? No, not really. It's actually pretty good. Will it replace my Tarte Shape Tape? Oh, wait a minute. Elf. Here we go. I did get this for $1. It's not the dollar store, but it was $1. So we are going to set the face with this e.l.f. powder. Time to do contour or bronzer. I have a little, this is a powder blush, and it says it highlights cheek. Powder blush and brush applicator. But to me it kind of looks like a bronzer kind of color, so I'm going to use that as my bronzer. We shall see. Again, LA Colors, and every single shade they have of this was like super shimmery. Look at that. Oh Lord have mercy. I haven't worn a shimmery bronzer in a minute. Oh Lordy. All right, just gotta get a little small brush in here. She's shimmery. It does highlight cheeks, for sure. Oh, the foundation has just settled into my lines, and damn. Next up for blush is a velvety finish. I got a different color just to see if I can make it. And the bronzer's not horrible. Is it going to be my new staple? But it's fun. Let's get that. Oh, she powdery. Oh. And this was in the shade Toast. Like my face. Toast. Brows. Now this is where I'm terrified. Bad. And I don't do terribly dark eyebrows. This is in the shade Black Brown. Normally I would do my brows off camera, but I want you to see. That is so dark. Let's just use a light hand. How about that? Next up, oh, I have a smudge-proof eyeliner and a wing. Let's do a wing. What the heck? This is a liquid liner, again by LA Colors. Most of this stuff is by LA Colors. It's a few stuff splashed in here and there. There's a Wet n Wild lipstick, which I'm excited about. So, I don't know when my camera shut off, but I just applied the liquid liner over here and it's actually pretty good. I mean, it's very liquidy and it's dry and shiny, but it's pretty good. I think we have a winner. I'll show you, create my little wing. Eyeliner, I've got this auto eyeliner, which is claiming to be smudge proof. We'll be the judge of that. Okay, it's not my L'Oreal Voluminous, but it's got a little bit of color. It's building up all right. See, my L'Oreal Voluminous just goes on one swipe eye, and I didn't have a highlighter, so I'm going to use some of these eyeshadows and see if I can get a little highlight out of them. And maybe this little one right here, just to add some highlightiness. Get a little under eye action going on here, just using a little flat shader brush and going into this deep blue. I think would be pretty underneath the eye. Ooh. Poof. All my eyeshadow color just went up and poof. Ooh. Let's just do some mascara, shall we? And it's the Enhance and Define Wet n Wild mascara. Is it Too Faced better than Sex? Nope. Not even close. This could be the saving grace. This is the Wet n Wild Silk Finish lipstick in the color Dark Wine. I didn't get a lip liner. I didn't see a lip liner, so. Ooh. Love, love, love the color. It is very silky. It's almost like a balm rather than a lipstick. I'm gonna get you guys zoomed out and come back with my final thoughts. So, all in all, a few hits, a few misses, but it was really fun to do. And I'm keeping this lipstick because I really like this. Well, angels, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single view that I get. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Angels Makeup Mayhem. Do be an angel and click subscribe, then smash that notification bell so that you are notified every single time I upload a new video. All your angels should leave me a comment because I really love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, angels, and I'll see you in the next video. Dun, dun, dun. Stop. Frankie's outside and he's going to ruin my life. I already know this. It's what it is. So, I guess I should have taken all this stuff out of the packages before, but I didn't. So, my kitty cat ears are looking sad. This is a terrible headband. I like doing it. Screw you, headband. I think we're gonna need a big old wing to save this eye look, though. This is a hot ass mess, girls. God, it's terrible. And just look at these little brushes they give you. They're so cute. I'm going to save them and give them to my friend's daughter. Ready? I need like a freaking knife to get into some of this stuff. I'm freaking sweating right now. because this is not. I'm really trying to give this a fair shake because I want it to work. I want it to work and it's not doing what I want it to do. Okay. All right. Enough with the brows. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Well, angels, if you've watched this far, I thank you so much. I really do. Boy, shut up. If you can hear him, I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for watching, angels, and I'll see you in the next video. That was my stomach growling. That was violent. You win. I'll go eat lunch. Sheesh. You're not the boss of me, stomach. And then I'll do my hair because I'm looking like an old lady. Math. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay.